Hey guys, welcome to Fuel the Dream. So today I'm busy working on this dress, so it's for a client. I thought it would be the perfect time for me to show you how I sew on crinoline onto a circular skirt. So this side is the zip allowance side, and this is the hem. So this is where I'm putting the crinoline on the hem. And we are firstly going to start off by stitching on the right side of the fabric. So this is what people are going to be seeing when the client is wearing the outfit. The right side of the fabric. And you will notice that I overlap mine with like 0.5 right over here. That's because if I want to add binding to the edge, I can still do that. So yeah. So I'm stitching this 0.5 centimeters from the edge, right? And then as you are stitching, make sure that you do not pull the crinoline, rather push it forward as you stitch instead of backwards. No? And then you'll also notice that sometimes it kind of pulls. It is normal for it to do this. Don't panic. It does this a lot with me as well, so I don't know how to fix this, but yeah, I done stitching the first part, which is the outside part, 0.5 from the edge. So I've stitched the entire hem, and now the next thing that we are going to do is so we've stitched this side, which is the right side of the fabric. Now what we're going to do is we are going to reverse it, like flip it over to the inside of the fabric. So now this is the inside of the fabric. We reversed this, flipped it over like that. And what I like doing is I like to flatten this and just stitch it flat right on the edge, almost like a top stitching vibe, or stay stitch. Yeah, stay stitch is the right word, I think. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. And again, this step is not really necessary, because even when you just stitch on this edge to finish it off, it's still gonna look fine. But I like how it sits when I stitch it here, so that's why I do it. And I'm gonna do this all around the hem, again, all around the hem. So yeah. Sorry. So this is what I'm doing, stitching right on the edge of the fabric. Okay, so I'm now done stitching the edge of the hem, all around the hem actually. So I'm now about to start stitching the edge of the crinoline. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna start stitching all around the hem, literally as close to the hem as I possibly can get to it. So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do, and then I'll be done with the crinoline or horsehair. Hey guys, so I'm done, and this is what the final look looks like. So yeah, this is the inside, and this is the outside. So now all you have to do is just iron it flat so that it looks neat and tidy. I hope this was helpful. And if there's something that you would like me to talk about on my channel, please don't hesitate to tell me. Hit me up in the comments section and I'll see what I can do. Thank you and goodbye. you.